Okay, in summary, vectors are awesome, right? They have magnitudes and directions. A force is a vector. That's going to be the one that comes up a lot in the beginning of this semester. Unit vectors have a magnitude of 1 and they have a direction. Please get comfortable with unit vectors. We're always going to call them lambda and the magnitude of 1 and a direction. Vector decomposition. We can express a vector as the sum of its components. Right? You can break a vector into separate components. Equilibrium is when the sum of all the forces is equal to 0 and then it doesn't accelerate. Now it might be moving, right? Because remember, Newton's law is just F equals ma, so it's the mass times acceleration. So if it's not accelerating, then it's in equilibrium. And we talked about free body diagrams, and they're hugely important. Please get in the habit of doing good free body diagrams for all your homework problems. And lastly, we expanded it into the third dimension when we talked about the z component of things, which didn't really change anything. It just adds one more thing to keep track of. That is the end of the Chapter 2 lecture. There are plenty of homework problems for this. Please have a look at them, start working on them, and we'll spend time in class looking over them as well.